how to remove second account in Messenger. So if you want to actually remove your second account in Messenger, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Messenger app. So you must have logged into many Messenger account over here, right? Tap on the three lines option from the top left and tap on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple accounts you've added. So to actually remove these accounts is pretty much simple. You might not have found the logout button anywhere, but to log out is very simple. Just tap on the drop down menu, and depending upon which account you want to remove, right, simply swipe left from that account and you'll find the remove option. So if you swipe left to that particular Messenger account you want to remove, you'll find the remove option, and you can simply tap on the remove option to remove that particular account from your Messenger app on iPhone. And this way you'll be able to remove your second account in Messenger. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.